Are MIVICE hub motors any good? It's MIVICE or MIVICE. I'm not sure how you pronounce it, M-I-V-I-C-E. And I've been seeing these on a lot of bikes lately. I've had this one for a couple of years. This is one of the first bikes I've seen it on. This is a Tenways CGO 600 Pro. It's got a 60-tooth by 22 belt drive on it. And then it's got a MIVICE motor on the back, this hub motor. And I'll flip it around here so you can see the exact model number. It's a 36 volt and 350 watt that peaks out at 500 watts. Top speed of 20 miles per hour. And they say the benefit of this, Tenways says, is that the rolling resistance is very low. So there's very little resistance when you're just cruising around, as you can see here by spinning the wheel and just letting it keep spinning. So a lot of times I'll ride this to the beach and use the motor to get over the hills, and then I'll just turn off the motor, put it on zero mode. It has 3 modes, and in zero mode, because the bike's so light, I can ride it like a beach cruiser and go 10 or 12 miles an hour. And there's the 3 modes there. And then you can see here too, my top speed this day was 30.2 miles an hour. So it only motors up to 20 miles an hour. So I was able to hit more than 30 miles an hour going down a hill, which again makes me think there's not a lot of resistance there when you're just coasting along. And also the range is really good on this bike. I rode about 20 miles and the battery is at 83% at the end of my ride. And the bike has 876 miles on it so far, mostly street riding, but I have done some things you probably shouldn't do with a hub motor. Like generally, you don't want to beat up a hub motor too bad, like taking it to bombing hills that are washboarded up and jumping over rocks at 25 or 30 miles an hour. So I don't recommend this as good treatment for this particular motor or any hub motor, but it seems to be running fine and it withstands this kind of abuse without too much complaint so far. And another thing I and a lot of other reviewers have commented on is how well the torque system works on this, the torque sensor. So it's a torque sensor that senses how much you're pressing on the pedals and gives you assistance. Like with level 1, it gives you a little, and level 2 more, and level 3 more. But all 3 settings have a maximum speed of 20 miles an hour. So I really like it in pedal assist 1. And with that big 60 by 22 gearing, it's perfect for just cruising along right at 20 miles an hour, right at the top of where the motor's going to cut off. And you get some exercise and you go fast. Now, in terms of tire width, if you wanted to put a skinnier tire on it, there's a 45 on the bike that I have right now. And for comparison, on the left is the 45 and on the right is a 40. And then on the far right is a 35. So if you put a skinnier, lighter tire on it, you'd get more mileage and you'd be able to go faster. But I prefer the 45 because I just like the comfort of it. So, does MIVICE make good hub motors for e-bikes? I say yes, and a lot of other people would agree with me. You can watch other reviews of these kind of lightweight style pedal assist bikes, and everything I've seen about it says that they're good. And then the fact that I haven't broken it yet doing stupid stuff like this, and the fact that it works so well and it's so efficient with the battery. You know, it's a 10 amp hour battery, 36 volts, but I get a lot of range out of it, both by pedaling with my own legs, and I think also from that freewheeling effect that they've built into it. And then it's a really smooth pedal assist system. So you could actually just put it in 3, and if you pedal weak, you go slow, and if you pedal strong, you go fast, and just leave it in 3 all the time. Or if you like pedal assist 1, some bikes will cut off at 15 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour if you're in pedal assist 1. But I really like it that this one gives you less help all the way up to maximum speed, or more help all the way up to maximum speed, depending on what setting you have it on. So hope that helps you make a decision and kind of gives you an idea of what these motors are. Because everybody's always talking about Bafang motors are the best. You should get a Bafang, and that's the kind of like the industry giant. So this MIVICE company is doing good work, making good products. And this one, like I said, is 2 years old. I don't know if they've come up with even better stuff that's on these newer bikes. So some of these newer bikes used to run different brands of motors, and now they're switching to this one. I think probably because it's better. It might also be cheaper, but definitely my experience with it is one big thumbs up. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.